Today I'm here with a healthy and delicious strawberry smoothie recipe. This is so good that you're definitely going to love. So welcome back to the channel Shida's Food Corner. Here I have taken 8 strawberries. Let's place the strawberries into a blender. Make sure to use frozen strawberries, or if you are using fresh strawberries, make sure to freeze it to get a perfect smoothie. Adding 1 cup of yogurt, adding 1 cup of milk, adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, adding 3 ice cubes. Now let's blend. Now the delicious strawberry smoothie is ready to enjoy. Do try out and let me know your valuable feedback. Thank you very much for all your support, and I'll be back with another recipe. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for notification on my latest uploads.